Hello again, my precious. So today here is a new video on my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to write a letter to Santa Claus from a Ukrainian girl. So she will help me a little bit, but maybe behind the screen. Okay. Let's start! Щасливого Різдва! З Новим роком! Щасливого Різдва means Merry Christmas. З Новим роком Happy New Year. Okay, let's start learning some interesting things. Декілька нових слів. Some new words, maybe not new. Лист до Святого Миколая. A letter to Santa Claus or Saint Nickolas. День Святого Миколая. The day of Saint Nickolas. It's our celebration. We celebrated the 6th of December. And actually the presents for kids bring Saint Nickolas this day, the 6th of December. On the Christmas day, we didn't used to bring presents for kids. We had another traditions, but right now Saint Nickolas has 2 working days. So on the day of the Saint Nickolas itself and at Christmas. So that's it. Побажання добра. Wishes of something good. Родинне свято. Family holiday. День народження Ісуса Христа. The birthday of Jesus Christ. So it's like the meaning of this celebration. 12 страв. 12 dishes. So we have tradition at Christmas. We cook 12 dishes, and these special dishes we eat before the first star appears in the sky. So it's our tradition, and these dishes must be without any meat. And but after that, after the first star is born in the sky, we can eat any other dishes with meat. So it's like that. And some people don't use this tradition at all, but 12 dishes symbolizes 12 disciples. So it's our Ukrainian tradition. Різдвяна ялинка. That's pretty easy. Christmas tree. Лунають колядки. So the carols are sounding everywhere. So лунати it's to sound, so you can hear something. Колядки, carols. Колядувати зранку. So we have this tradition to in the morning, it's Christmas morning, to go from the door to door of our neighbors and friends. Young people do this. And they sing carols, and people from the houses give them back some presents or some sweets or something like that. So it means колядувати. So like go from door to door. It's like trick-or-treating in Halloween, but we don't have this tradition, and we have this tradition at Christmas. Хрещені батьки, godparents. So we have a tradition that godparents give presents to their godsons and goddaughters, and they do it at Christmas morning. So похресники. So it's похресник, godson, похресниця, goddaughter, and plural похресники. Підготувати подарунки, to prepare presents. So here are some words, and right now I want to read you my own personal letter to Saint Nickolas or Santa Claus or anyone. So, and I hope you will like it and understand everything. Мій лист до Святого Миколая. Любий святий Миколаю, я знаю, що вже не дитина. Свято твоє вже минуло аж 6 грудня. Але скоро Різдво. А на Різдво також хочеться дива. Врешті-решт, це також день народження, в який вірять майже всі у нашій країні. Побажання добра лунають у цей день, і всі святкують в родинному колі. На столі стоять 12 страв, світиться різдвяна ялинка. Діти вже повторюють колядки для колядування зранку, а хрещені батьки підготували подарунки для своїх похресників. Мені не треба подарунків. Зроби так, щоб наступного року усі українці святкували Різдво вдома, за столом зі своїми близькими. Щоб небо знову стало мирним, а звідусіль нехай лунають не вибухи, а українські колядки. Бажаю тобі веселих свят. Твоя Одарка. Let's translate this letter. My letter to St. Nickolas. Dear St. Nickolas, I know that I'm already not a kid. Your celebration has already passed the 6th of December, and Christmas is coming. And for Christmas, I want miracle too. Finally, that's also birthday, in which almost everyone in our country believe. The wishes of kind are sounding this day, and everyone is celebrating in family circle. There are 12 dishes on the table. The Christmas tree is sparkling. The kids revising колядkas or carols for caroling колядування in the morning. And хрещені батьки, godparents, prepared presents for their godsons and goddaughters, godchildren. I don't need presents. Do for me that next year all Ukrainians will celebrate Christmas at home, at the table with their parents, and make the sky peaceful again. And everywhere let it sound not explosions, but Ukrainian carols. Wish you happy holidays. Yours, Odarka. So I hope everything is clear here. So you see that almost everything is written in the present tense, and some of the phrases in the past. So here, я знаю, it's present. Хочеться дива, present, and reflexive verb here, хочеться, в яке вірять. So it's present. Всі святкують present, світиться різдвяна ялинка, it's present, діти повторюють present, and here, звідусіль нехай лунають, не вибухає українські колядки, it's present. But some of them are in the past. Свято твоє вже минуло. So, it is past. And here, хрещені батьки підготували. That's past tense. And here, when it is just a common feature in Ukrainian, when we make wishes, it's like we do in conditionals. In your language, it will be, you will use would, for example. Make that for the next year, all the Ukrainians would celebrate Christmas at home. And we use past tense for that. And again, the sky would become peaceful. And we use past tense for that, стало мирним. Okay, and that's it. So sometimes we do it too, like to make wishes, and use some like conditionals in there. So like, if only, you say, if only we celebrated Christmas at home. So you have the same with if only or I wish. Yes, with this part. And we have the same here, we use past tenses in such things like to make wishes. So I hope it was clear for you. And I hope this lesson was a little bit, maybe not useful, but just warm and festive. So here is the end of our lesson. I hope you have liked it. I hope it was warm and you learned some new words. Write your own letters to Santa Claus, Saint Nickolas, and any person you wish. And continue learning Ukrainian with me. And we will see each other in a new year, because I'm taking a short break for holidays. And in 2024, we'll see each other in the next lesson. Bye bye!